Well, hey, algebra students. Let's talk about multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. All right, in this first example here, we're multiplying 5w times negative 3w squared plus 2w minus 4. So we're going to use what we learned when we multiplied monomials last week using those laws of exponents, where you multiply coefficients and add exponents. And of course, you remember when we did the distributive property, the only difference here is now we have variables outside the parentheses, whereas before we might have only had just the 5, just a number outside the parentheses, as opposed to having a variable as well. Okay, so here's how we do it. It's very, very simple. First thing, let's go ahead and add put any invisible ones in. So there's an invisible 1 and invisible 1, so that we don't accidentally forget to add exponents. You don't always have to do this total long way. This line I'm about to write is optional. So, what we do, just like normally, is we distribute to from the outside to everything that's inside. Okay? You remember, everyone's invited to the party. So let's go ahead, and this step I'm going to write down again is optional, but the first couple times it might just help us see it. So we're multiplying 5w times negative 3w squared plus 5w times 2w to the first plus 5w to the first times negative 4. Okay, so multiply 5w times negative 3w squared, that's negative 15. Add the exponents, we have w to the third. 5w times 2w is going to be 10w squared, because you add the 1's there. And then 5w times negative 4 is negative 20w. And that's it. And now we are distributed. We look for like terms, and there doesn't seem to be any, because remember, they're not like terms if there's are different exponents. Same variable, same exponents, no like terms. Therefore, we are done.